Okay, so I'm going to show you guys something. This is MITORED. This is actually one of the top brands you can buy for red light therapy. And it is an extremely amazing healing device. I've used on my shoulders, my foot, my leg, my hip, when I was having major issues, where I would set it up every single night, like on my nightstand. It looks crazy right now, and hit my shoulders with it, and totally helps a ton. So I made this, and what this does, as you can see, like, you can swivel these, you can unhook these, and you can swivel them up. But I made this because then, like, if I'm laying in bed right here, I can put this in between my legs, and then I can set the red light. I'll do this like that, and I can slide it where I need it, turn it on, and it red lights the area within the 8 to 12 inches of the best performance as far as red light therapy is when they've done all the studies. This one in particular is recommended by most doctors that have done red light therapy, and even some medical cases, they do use them. But I use this a lot at athletic training events for kids. I do a lot of athletic training events for My Way. It's humongous. It's the largest in the state of Michigan wrestling organization. Basketball games, soccer games, if I needed it, if I had a plug-in. But this is a very, very, very good healing device, especially more than one treatment. If you were to do it for a whole week straight, it does wonders. And this is what I'll be using for my hip. I'll do it twice a day for 20 minutes. I'll be doing it just this morning here. This is day 3, so I decided to start it today. And you have to have it, you have to have it wide open, and like your skin wide open to it. And I could talk all day on exactly scientifically what it does, but it's just amazing. Easy. You can buy the cheap ones. I don't know if I would trust the cheap ones. This one here is around $250, maybe $300, maybe $200, depending on where you're getting it. But it is an extremely good method of treatment, natural treatment, and it works. I'm telling you, it works. If you're consistent with it, it works wonders. And so I'm going to be using this on my total hip replacement area twice a day, 20 minutes, even maybe 30 minutes. They recommend 20 minutes is good enough. And then I do have a membership at Planet Fitness, and my doctor actually, it wasn't even one day. It was like at the 20-hour mark after I was surgically put a brand new hip in, everything new. He already cleared me to go to the gym to do upper body. And he said, you know how long you can stay up on your feet, just, know my limits. But he literally gave me the thumbs up, and it's literally a miracle. He's a miracle. Dr. David Christ. He's unbelievable, out of Kalamazoo. Anyway, so I'll be using this, and if anybody has any questions, feel free to just leave a comment below. And yeah, this device with this mechanism I built for it, it's amazing. I haven't seen it anywhere, and it just does so much for healing. So check it out, MITORED. I'm not sponsored by them. MITORED. This is a really, really, really good brand. I've used other ones. This one is awesome. And thank you.